Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of pledge. Commit, a person or organization, by a solemn promise. For example, the government pledged itself to deal with environmental problems. The second definition of pledge. Give as security on a loan. For example, the creditor to whom the land is pledged. American pronunciation. Pledge. Pledge. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Pledge. Say. Pledge. Pledge means commit person by promise. Pledge. Pledge. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Virginia and Tennessee had 151 pledged delegates at stake. Now, repeat after me. Virginia and Tennessee had 151 pledged delegates at stake. The second practice. The other's co-defendants stood up, pledging allegiance to him. Now, repeat after me. The other's co-defendants stood up, pledging allegiance to him.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.